Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to be improving our base. Well, yes, our base. So what we're going to do is we're going to move outside. Yes, outside. And then this is what we're going to do. So we're going to work on putting torches all around here so no mobs would spawn. Okay, so this should be good for like that side, but for now we're gonna leave the torch thing alone, and we're gonna work on making a chicken farm. Yes, you heard it here, folks. A chicken farm. Chickens. Okay, so what we need is a bucket of water, and I believe I have one somewhere. I know I had a bucket. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna get a little bit cheat here. There you go. Got a bucket. Okay. I think I know how to make one. Okay, so we need to go get water. There we go, we got water. Okay, first we need meat because we gotta kill this cow. And we'll leave him alone. Oh, never mind. Oops. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do? Okay, yeah. So the chicken farm can be connected right over here. I think it has to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we break the middle. And then like now what we should do, I think, is insert the water from the tank and because commentary because forget how to make a chicken farm. So I think now what we can do is get cars. Oh, I remember now. Okay. We have to get all of this water. Okay, we have to get rid of all this water. Okay, now we're gonna have to stop. I remember how to do it now. First we gotta eat. Okay, so we're gonna finish this. Oh, let's stop. Okay, this is what you think you have to do. Oh my god. So I'm pretty sure what you do is put it in the middle, if that's in the middle. So that's one, 2, 3. one more. Okay, so then when we build up like that. Okay, so there's that, and then here, you guys need to come over here. Get my then we get a new shovel out. We get a new shovel out if we have one. No. Then we get our bucket. Okay. Okay, I think it's good. Yeah, so now what happens is if we break this, nothing happens. Yay. Okay, I have a better idea. How about we just get wood one. So the chickens can't get out. And now, okay, so what we do now is go back inside for just a quick second. But guys, I think this might be where we wrap up the video, because when we come back, the chicken farm might be done. I don't know. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye.